Well, I am a little bit worse for wear from yesterday, a little bit sore, but I am back for day 2 of getting this tomato pepper bed together. I thought I would finish yesterday, but the vines were so intertwined and you can't yank those apart, you'll lose all your fruit. So we're going to get this bed finished before it gets any hotter and more humid. So stay with me. These tomatoes have split so many times with so many suckers that they're just huge plants. So basically I'm just going to tie these to the string for now, just in a bow tie, so that I can adjust it later once I get the weeds out of here. Just trying to basically lift them off the ground so I have access to the weeds. Okay, this is what's revealed when we get down in here. This clump of big tomatoes is actually coming from 2 stems. So I've got to get those off the ground and get them supported somehow. Okay. The sun is beating down. And as you can see, there's a lot of casualties. You see they're white on the bottom because they've been laying on the dirt. But it's perfect. There's not a bug hole, worm hole, nothing. And because it's heavy and I lifted it up. I mean, the whole unit is heavy because there's 4 or 5 big ones. So this is the reason not to, this is one of the reasons not to let your tomatoes get out of control. I'm making some progress. I just need to cool off a little bit because sweat is running into my eyes. Okay. Thoughts so far. You know, as long as you are fit and able, you can do this. I mean, this garden, this one bed started out with 9 tomato plants. And normally that wouldn't be a lot for that size space, which is about 8 by 8. I don't know. But if you don't prune them, and they've got great soil, which this soil has been amended, and you know, it looks like it's just a patch in the grass, but it has been dug out, dug deep, tilled deep, compost over years. And so other than this fungal spotting on some of the leaves, they're extremely healthy, putting out a lot of fruit. So, but you know, trying to plant a whole big, my grandmother had, I used to say, I think it was a half an acre, could have been a third of an acre, in her personal garden. And she did it all herself. She didn't have any help. So, and of course, you know, it's from season to season, from beginning to end of season in northern Alabama, it was. But so much work. Wow. It's really enjoyable, and you sweat a lot. So then you can justify eating more. Anyway, I got to think long and hard about taking on more than a couple of acres. Well, I did not get finished on day 2. I took a bunch of breaks because it was like about 95 degrees and I didn't want to get heat stroke. And so I went in for cold watermelon and cold iced tea repeatedly. So I was in and out, and I am down to the last major tomato vine that needs to be tied up, and I thought I would show you. But what has been revealed are these very healthy looking pepper plants. Obviously they've never been pruned. They were buried, practically buried under the tomato vines. They were trying, they're leggy because they were trying to, get some sunlight, reach up through. So it's too late to prune them. I don't want to try to do that because it's already the middle of July. But I just wanted you to take a look. But because it's so hot, we're going to have 105 to 107 degrees in the next couple of days, the weekend. And we're thinking of devising some kind of a shade for this bed so that the tomatoes don't get burned up. And it may rain. Take a look at this cloud. I have managed to get almost all of the tomatoes off the ground and most of these diseased leaves trimmed off. But look down there. I think they're jalapenos, but maybe they're not. Maybe there's something else. Look at these healthy peppers. Oh my goodness. Why does it always get windy right before? This always happens. I broke that. Come on, come on. Oh shoot, I see more tomato in there. Oh wow. It goes over to the other side. Okay, that's all she wrote for tonight. Thanks so much for watching this channel, liking my videos, and especially sharing them with your friends. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.